Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be dipping into, I believe, 3 different palettes. So it will be the Conspiracy palette. It will be one color from the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, but it'll only be Executioner for the black, because the black in here is a charcoal kind of color, and I want that deep dark black. And I also used 2 different greens. You can probably use it still from the Conspiracy palette if you'd like, or a different green from your palette, but I did use Bring Me Back, or Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. And also clearly getting into crazy highlighters. From the front, it kind of gives it that darker, dirty look, but from the side you can see that it is green. In person it's kind of like that too. I think next time that I'm only going to use Money Honey, because Candy Apple Drip is a very dark green. But if y'all want to see how I did this look, stay tuned and please leave a like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. But without any further ado, let's get started. Then I'm going to go back in with Executioner just in the corner and blend that out just a little. Then I'm going to go back in with Illuminati just to buff out those edges. And then with the previous brush that I used for Executioner, we can go ahead and go back in with Executioner, just using the tip and barely scraping against Illuminati. Again. Okay, now that I have all the applied, I can go ahead and remove these. And we can start on the bottom lash line. Okay, with a smaller brush, I'm going to be dipping into Illuminati. And then I'm going to put that in the outer corner on the lash line. And then I'm also winging it out. And I guess this would be where it kind of changes into a weird turn. I'm going to be dipping into Sleep Paralysis. And I'm going to be putting that kind of over Illuminati and then bring it towards the corner. But I'm keeping it in the middle. Then I'm going to get a little more Illuminati just to blend it into that color. Sleeping Paralysis. Spiraling is a lot darker. And then the next color I'm going to dip into is Just a Theory. And then that's going to go on the bottom lash line in the corner. And I really don't know what I'm going to do for an inner corner highlight at the moment. I'm debating between Ranch and Diet Cola, but we'll see. So I'm just going to do the rest of my complexion products and I'll be right back. Okay, and with the inner corner highlight, I decided to go in with Diet Cola. We're just going to place that for the inner corner highlight. So I get like a fluffy brush like this just to spread it, and then I get one about this size just to blend it. And then I'm gonna dip into Ranch and just dab it. Just to give it a little different shine. And then for blush, I'm gonna go in with the color Pigment. And then I always highlight my nose. To say highlight, I meant I always blush my nose. Okay, and then we're going to be going in with two different highlighters that I absolutely love from the Jeffree Star collection. And it is the Money Honey and Candy Apple Drip. That's these two right here. This one's like an iridescent yellow, gold, green. And then this one is just like a metallic green. The first one that we're gonna go in with is Candy Apple Drip. And then first I'm gonna dab it on with my finger. And it's like very green. And then I'm gonna get a brush with a little bit applied. Dab it on first and then blend. It is very green. And I think with the Candy Apple Drip, I'm just going to put that one on my cheeks because it is very bright. It kind of gives it like that weird shadow transition. And then we're going to go into my all-time favorite, Money Honey. And then again, get the brush. And then with the same brush that I did the inner corner highlight with, I'm going to do the tip of my nose. And then I don't have a brown liner, so, I don't have a green liner, so I'm going to use a brown one to apply the color Karma. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Karma, and it's kind of like a green, grungy looking color. And then I'm gonna apply shimmer on top. Honestly, putting this lip liner on, a nude color would go really nice with this. And then what I like to do is get a brush, any like flat tip, fine tip brush you probably can use, and I like to go around the edges and just even them out. Okay, and I forgot, so I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, slapped on some lashes. They are the Natalia Mini from House of Lashes. And then now we're going to get into the shimmer topper that we're going to use, and that is the color Shane from his Shane and Jeffree collection. This one's like one of my all-time favorite colors. Like, look how beautiful that is. But this is the entire finished look. I know it's a little weird, a little out there, something that I'm typically not comfortable with, but I did have fun doing this look for St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Sorry, I had to delete the last part. If you guys did enjoy the video, you can go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Sorry, I did say didn't, but I'll definitely catch you guys later. Bye!